I bought it so you didn't have to. I'm worried. Would I recommend it? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be giving you a first impression of the Melanin Hair Care, the shampoo, the deep conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. If that's something that you're interested in, you'll want to stick around. So I'm back and I secured the bag. Let's get right into it. So I was influenced, so I purchased the Melanin, this is the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner with hyaluronic acid, biotin, fenugreek, pumpkin, and bamboo. Not only did I purchase the deep conditioner, but I also purchased, this is the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. I also got the Melanin Multi-Use Softening Leave-In Conditioner. So as you can see, my hair needs a little TLC. I am coming off of a 2-week wash and go, so it needs some attention. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to wash my hair. I don't have any shampoos that have the African Black Soap. It's, oh, look at the packaging. Oh, so let's talk about what I have here. So the Melanin African Black Soap, how to use. Use on wet hair, apply to the scalp and work into a lather after massaging the shampoo onto the scalp. Drag the excess leather down the length of your hair to cleanse your hair strands and rinse away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go saturate my hair, get my hair wet. I'm going to come back and then I'm going to apply this. And I'm going to get right into it. Oh, my hair is dripping. Oh, it smells. Oh, does this have tea tree? Yup, it has tea tree. You can smell it. Not that I need to let this sit, but a little goes a long way, which I like. It lathered right away, which I like. I really feel like it's cleaning my scalp. Okay. So my hair is squeaky clean. It's not, there's no moisture in it. I feel like it got all of the product out, which is what you hope for when you are using a shampoo. I didn't use a ton of it, so I'm actually liking this so far. My hair feels squeaky clean. It definitely needs some moisture. You can see my scalp is clean, and it had just enough tea tree where I felt it, but it didn't tingle. So yay melanin. So far so good. So I'm going in with the Plumping Deep Conditioner. My hair is in desperate need of this right now. So it has all of the natural products like that we love, and it says a little goes a long way. Working into sections, use a nickel or a quarter size amount depending on your hair texture. So here it is. Here it is. So it doesn't really have much of a smell to it, which is okay. Didn't she say use a quarter size amount? I don't listen to the directions very well. But look at how my hair just soaked that up. You're gonna need more than a quarter size amount, for sure. You're gonna need more than a quarter size amount. You guys, my hair is drinking this up. I'm worried. It's not giving the instant moisturizing. I'm worried. Okay, so I just have this last section to go. I don't want to judge it too soon because I gotta give it 30 minutes to like work, but it's too lightweight for me. When I think of a deep conditioner, I think of a deep conditioner, and I'm just emulsifying the product to hopefully, you know, give it some extra when I think of a deep conditioner, I want to immediately feel the moisture in the product. I want to immediately feel the moisture in my hair as soon as I apply the product. I want my hair to be like, yes. I don't know that this is doing it for me. Especially after how strong this shampoo is. I need the deep condition to like put all the nutrients and moisture back into my hair after you just cleanse it the way you did. This shampoo cleansed my hair, and I don't know that this moisturizer is giving me what I needed to, but I gotta let it sit for 30 minutes. Okay, so my initial review on a deep conditioner, I'm not thrilled. At the price point and the way the girls were talking, I was definitely looking for this product to do more. Would I recommend the deep conditioner? Probably not. Not for $34 in a wait list. The product was sold out, so somebody's liking it. I think I waited on the wait list for about a month to get it. So you guys are selling it out. I just don't know that it's the deep conditioner for me. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I feel like it's sitting on top of my hair and not really like penetrating my hair like all the fibers within. And I put a lot. I put way more than the recommended amount. Way more than the recommended amount. Which I know the recommended amount can be based on like hair texture, density, just like it said on the packaging. I'm gonna go rinse it out and I'll be back. Okay, so she's rinsed out. So she's rinsed out. I do feel like my hair is soft. Feel like, I don't know if the shampoo was too harsh or if the deep condition wasn't strong enough. I'm struggling for words here, and that's not really a good thing. So maybe it's doing more strengthening than silkening, in my opinion. It's enough for me. But I still have this, and this is their multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. I am hoping that this leave-in conditioner is going to give me more of the conditioning effects that I was hoping to receive from the deep conditioner. I'm a little disappointed. The conditioner, the leave-in, is giving what I expected from the deep conditioner. Yes. Yes. Okay, so the product is all through my hair. This is the leave-in by Melanin. I like the leave-in better than I like the deep conditioner. I would recommend the leave-in conditioner. It's giving, a lot of leave-ins are thin. This leave-in was thick. Yeah, I like the leave-in. I am going to finish up my hair and then I'll come back to you guys with a full review. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. So let's talk about it, right? You guys saw my initial review. Now that it's been a couple hours, my hair is dry, I've had some time to think. Let's get into the details. So, okay, so jumping right into it, I purchased the line from Ulta, and I'll have the prices listed below, but I am going to discuss everything in the order of which I used it. So starting off with the African Black soap, this product I think originally goes for $20. I got it during an Ulta sale for $14. You saw, I initially liked the shampoo. I thought the shampoo lathered really well. Immediately I was able to put minimal amount in and it slipped right to the ends of my hair. I do really feel like it really got my hair very, very streaky clean, to the point where I can almost hear my hands in my hair when I was washing it out. You know what I mean? So I do feel like this did its job as far as cleaning, streaking. I'm on the fence about whether or not it left my hair dry, which I kind of think it did. Overall, initially just using it by itself, I would say that I would use this product again. Especially since I caught it on sale. So I am going to be keeping the shampoo. Overall, I think the shampoo did what it was supposed to do. If I had to rate it, I would give this shampoo maybe a 7 out of 10. Okay, so let's move over to the deep conditioner. Now this deep conditioner, still a little let down, right? I feel like the girls were saying this was the conditioner to get, and maybe it's not love at first sight. No pun intended. I purchased it. I'm gonna keep it. It didn't condition. It didn't deep condition to me. Now, if it was just like a strengthening product on its own, then I could kind of understand it. But I absolutely had to use more than the recommended amount to feel slippage. Would I recommend it? I'm gonna say no off of first impressions. Would I repurchase it? I'm gonna say no off of first impressions. If I had to rate it, it's a 4 out of 10 for me. Comment down below and let me know if you tried it. What do you think? Was your first impression similar? Did it take a couple times for you to like really enjoy the product? Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Okay, moving over to the star of the show. This is the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. I think this does exactly what it says. This is what I was expecting from the deep conditioner. This allowed me to detangle my hair. I feel like it put back in, you know, what I was looking for, the conditioning effect from the deep-in conditioner. So I like this. Originally, this product is $20, $23, and I think I got it on sale at Ulta for $18. So at that price point, I do think that it's worth it. If I had to rate it, I would give the leave-in conditioner, I would give it like an 8 or a 9. I think I would definitely give it like an 8 or 9 out of 10. I like that it's in a pump as opposed to like a squeezing bottle. Overall, I'm fairly pleased with the leave-in conditioner. I don't think the girls are talking enough about the leave-in conditioner. So overall, 8 or 9 out of 10 for me. I would recommend it. That does it for today's video. Comment down below and let me know what you think about melanin hair care. But overall for me, I will say I would recommend the leave-in conditioner over the deep conditioner. It just wasn't giving moisturized. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.